Kaya malilita talaga tayo mag-vlog ka pa.
Magreklamo po ako sa Cebu Pacific.
Tawagin niya si Lurch.
Shut up, Josh.
Excuse me? Oh my God, Josh is so drunk.
Hindi ka nakakatuwate.
Aga-aga. It's literally 9 o'clock.
Painkillers na.
Pagdating ko. I feel so terrible. Kuya, para na po! Ready? Chanyo! Hindi ko sinasadyang tumama sa ulo ni Lurch. Hey buddies, what's up? It's me, Josh, and welcome back to my channel! So today's vlog is so exciting because we're going to Boracay!
Pasok mo yung intro ng mga montage ng Boracay.
Okay. And 1, 2, 3.
So, gawa tayo ng heated na intro.
Kaya malilita talaga tayo mag-vlog ka pa. Ang dami-dami ng oras, oh.
Wait lang!
Ano naman kanina?
Bakit? Saan ba tayo pupunta? Boracay! Yeah! Punta na kami Boracay! Pasok lahat!
Nakapasok kami sa finals.
Yes, oh my God, grabe yung immigration papuntang Boracay do. It's such a hassle.
Kinakabahan ako sa sa jet lag.
Baka nga, piling ko mag-jetlag ako papuntang Boracay do.
Saan pa tayo kukuha ng SIM?
Parang need natin magpapalit ng Boracay dollars. Where are we going?
Hi.
Boracay! Everyone's coming! Kapapalit muna kami ng Boracay dollars. So, tapos bibili na kami ng SIM. Mas mura ba mapapalit ng Boracay dollars doon? Shit, ayok nga ano. So we ordered food. Dito kami nag-breakfast. Flight namin 11:45 AM. It's only 9 AM. I got Jamaican patty. Itadakimasu.
Yung batang to, naka Nintendo Switch na agad.
Ay, ay, meron pang isa.
Bonding ba kamo?
May Chucky pa yun. Naka-Chucky pa si Jay. Banding kami, banding.
Hoy.
Mama, hello, games kami, mama.
Grabe kayo mga spoiled na bata. Yung mama nyo, walang magawa.
Sobrang lapit mo naman.
Kasi nga walang antipara.
While yung isa, nanonood ng Drag Race.
Oy, maka-copyright ka.
Drip and ito pa rin sa akin is parang wall. Gagawa ma-under.
Sakay na kami sa plane or wala mo. Maayong buntag.
Magreklamo po ako sa Cebu Pacific kasi alam ko business class ako tapos hiningan ako ng business permit. Wala din po ako business permit kaya hindi ako pwede sa business class.
Dito mga balat na to kasi pag uwi namin, hindi namin to kulay ko.
20 shades darker. Welcome to Katakalakalan Airline. We're here! White Lotus.
White Lotus is now.
Kaya pupunta na kami sa Boracay. Kanangi, tite.
Ayun, sorry. 175. Mamaya yan sa akin.
Sasakay na kami sa may boat.
Sa cruise.
Sa cruise?
Santa Cruz.
At akin yan dahil Joshua Cruz.
Hala.
Ayan, ang daming boat. Wow! Wow!
We're here now at Boracay!
Si Jayo pala, local pala here. Local pala si Jayo. Aklan ka talaga?
Yes po, man.
So this is where we're staying at the Scenari Boracay Hotel. Check-in lang kami. Pagod ako kasi nag-walk pa kami. Hila-hila yung mga luggages namin.
So here's a mini room tour. So once you enter, there is a full body mirror. Then on the other side, there is a mini living room. It has a sofa, some cabinets, and a television.
Huh? Nabinyagan na.
Then there is a bedroom area. They have 4 beds. Every bed can accommodate 2 persons. I am sharing a bed with Miss Rafi.
Oh my God! Ang ganda ng CR! Oh my God! Ang ganda ng shower! Mayan. Ang ganda! So we change into our outfits for lunch lang naman though.
Excuse me?
Anyway,
Nice complaint talaga.
we change into our lunch outfits naman. Tapos babalik pa kami here.
Ito ang lunch na.
Ayan ang lunch. Pukoy ng ina.
Lunch yan na.
Utang ina, kita mo yung seashell. Dalawa yung gago. Ipipixelated natin yan. Ayoko po ma-demonetize. Yes. Ito po yung aming tour guide, si Jingkoy. Kuya, paturo na lang po kung ano po yung mga attractions.
Kayo po, sir, ang attraction, sir.
What is this I'm feeling? I just can't explain.
Kiss mo nga ako, kuya. Yeah! So, kakain kami sa may Pig Ouch! Plato. Dito kami kakain sa Pig Out. So yun, at Michelin star na pala itong Pig Out. Anyway, we ordered food. We got some products from Keratin. So they gave us this Coconut Dreams Sun Care Invisible Spray. We also got this After Sun Cooling Gel. So if you ever like get sunburnt, you can apply this.
Especially sa mga nagtatan.
Yeah. They also gave us this Be Cool After Sun Tissue Face Mask here. Thank you so much, Keratin. I forgot to show you guys my nails. They're super cute. My bestie, Mika Montes, did this. Parang iba-iba kasi siya. You know. Super cute. This is my favorite. Parang siyang water kasi. I see. Ang cool. Oysters. Parang masarap tong bato, te. Tayo mo nga, te. So naglakad kami papunta sa beach kasi malapit lang naman to sa The Pig Out. So ito na yung beach! Oh my God! Wow! Ang ganda gaga! I love! Ang daming gwapo ngayon. Ang daming gwapo ngayon. Maraming masarap. Miko, tignan mo yun nasa malayo. Tignan mo yun nasa malayo. Miko, tignan mo yun nasa malayo. Ayun, ayun.
It was working out early.
Ah, really?
Mga bading, mga bakla, mga bading.
The iconic Boracay Sand Castle Kinesu. Ang ganda! Boracay. Last time I went here was pre-pandemic.
1969, no?
Oh, eh. It was like pre-pandemic pa. Iba na yung itsura niya ngayon.
Dati yung sand dito, black pa.
We, totoo?
Check ha!
Ang ina mo. Ang ganda na ng Boracay ngayon. Like, the fuck?
I did it to myself.
Ay, thank you po. Gago, ibang-iba na yung itsura ngayon ng D-Mall. What the fuck? Parang jungle vibes na siya. May kainan. What's that, rabbit?
Hello, ma'am.
So cute. Sarap. Sarap siya. Avail niya siya, guys. Sila Lerge kumukuha ng Ube Mama. Is that the Ube Mom? Ube Mom. Nakala kayo.
Sa pangalan ko. Miguel.
Parang siyang bilo-bilo na ice cream.
Maha talaga.
Ibig mo sabihin matarap, di ba, Ada? Siya nga si Mama. Oh, Ube Mama. Oh, si Mama. Ayan, oh. Thanks, Mama. Okay, so everyone's getting ready now kasi may attend na kaming dinner and party. So anyway, I'm just gonna get ready. See you guys later. Okay, so we're all done. We're gonna have dinner na. Let's go, let's go, let's go! We're now on our way to Epic. Thank you, Josh. Huh? Nag-tricycle na kami punta doon.
Courtesy of Joshua Cruz.
Can we just say the trikes here in Boracay are so much nicer than the ones in Manila?
They feel electric, no?
Beer ba kayo ng Boracay?
They feel like rechargeable.
Sponsored by Boracay government.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna have dinner now and party. So, see you guys later.
Kasama sila.
Kasama kami.
Kasama kayo.
Kasama si mga buddies.
Come with us, guys.
Tara na, buddies. So, this is what D-Mall looks like at night. Sobrang alive na alive. Like, ang daming lights. Sobrang colorful. Ang daming tao. Like, ang daming kumakain. Ang daming nagdi-drinks. Ayan, oh. super cute. Anyway, papunta na kami sa Epic. That's where we're gonna have our dinner. So we're here now at Epic. And we're gonna order our dinner.
It's so epic here.
And I love the view. Guys, check out the view. Oh my god, the view, it looks so...
Ay, hindi.
Ano ba yung view? It looks so great.
So we're gonna get ready for the night because we don't want some hangovers up in this here.
Because we are responsible drinker. Ano ba akin yan?
Ako din, Josh. Palitan ko. Meron ako sa lagi.
Dami sinabi.
Papahig naman eh.
Papayag naman ako. Wow, food's here!
Ano na, pati dito marinara ka ba?
Oysters! Kahit di ako kumakain yan. This is what I ordered. The chicken, mashed potato, and garlic rice.
Dito na kami sa loob ng Epic. Ang daming apap. Kilala mo ba yan? Kilala mo ba yan? Jenica. Happy birthday kay Reggie, kay Arian, and kay Josie. Guys, Josh, if you're watching this, you're so drunk.
Josh, fuck you!
Oh my god, Josh is so drunk!
Oh my god, Josh needs help!
Acting! Hear me out.
Tawagin na si Lurch.
Yung wig ko, babe. Wig pa. Parang yung baby hair ko.
Tawagin niyo na si Lurch.
Hindi ka nakakatuwate. Bitch. He snatched my wig. It was like...
Tutulong na sila, respeto naman. Nasara doon. Alam mo, ikaw nagwala ng bomba blush ko, no?
Wala si yung kaibigan ko na, hi, Teg, na lang daw yung kumot sa yan.
Good morning. It is a day...
Magandang buhay!
So last night was a blur. It was a lot.
Pag blur, ganito gaga.
Uy, tangina naman, Miko. Masisira naman yung ano. Today's our official day 1. Kasi yesterday was day 0.
Day 1 or
We're gonna have breakfast sa may beachfront, sa may D-Mall.
Kakain kami sa plato.
Sa tayo kakain, Jeyo. Ano? Cha-cha? Jarat.
Guys, survey nga kung halatang bakla ako.
Nasa Malate, alas 7 ng gabi.
Comment down below. We're gonna walk na, Jeyo.
We're gonna fly there.
Pag nasa Boracay kayo, masanay kayo maglakad talaga.
Si sermon naman. Tatanong lang naman.
Aga-aga. Kailangan.
It's literally 9 o'clock.
Ng emosyon.
So this is where we're having our breakfast. So cute. It's a beachfront restaurant. Ate.
Ats? Parang malamig dito. Parang lumiit ka. Nakasawsaw ka dyan sa tubig!
So we transferred na here sa may beachfront table. So, cute namin all together. Yes. Good morning so much. Ganda ng view. What the f... I ordered the hangover. So we have red beans, pork and beans, bacon, potato, longaniza, some bread, and some sunny side up eggs.
Not gonna eat the bean.
Oh my god, it's actually good.
Yeah.
Ay, nandito na pala si Ken! Sakit yung measles.
Saka measles, ano yun?
Gago.
Jay, walang pump. Tinipan niya yung floaties niya.
Ilalagay ko yung link ng TikTok shop. Huwag kayo bumili doon. Scam sila. Sabi kasi may kasamang pop.
Anyway, we're just getting ready kasi magbe-beach na kami. Finally! So ito, this is my look. Super cute lang. Rings, cowboy hat, and some shorts. Ano tong dala mo manikat eh? Wala, parang totoo. Pumipikit ba yan? Pag humihiga. Ay! Body. Alam mo, Lurs? Okay, pupunta na kami sa beach.
No, we're not.
Ay, hindi ba? Saan tayo punta? Sa Poke ko. So, ang alam ko, sunset kami magbi-beach. It's only 1 p.m. Ang G-Net! Ito, Jay, mas shady, oh.
Hello, guys. Please watch Josh's Cruise.
Josh's Cruise vlogs. So, we're here na sa beach. Super cute ng place. Yung spot pa namin. Under the coconut tree. Si Jeyo. Si Jeyo. Ow! Ang cute!
Patay-patay.
Ay, mga anak. Siming ang mga miming ang mga anak. Hello, Boracay. Mika, sama ka dito. Ay, gagawin ng tubig. Boracay! Okay, so kakatapos lang namin mag-swim. Umorder ang mga gays ng yaw-yaw. It's only our second day here sa Boracay. Ang dami na nangyari. Tonight, magdi-dinner kami sa isang drag bar. Malapit lang sa amin. So, yeah! Miko, tumingin, gago. You like my friend? Representing the island of Boracay. He is wearing an orange gown made by the turtles and the fishes. We're having lunch here at... Diyan ang pangalan nito? Kuku. Alan Chicken. Island Chicken. The best Bacolod chicken here. I ordered clemency. Thank you, dear. A friend like you, so fuck you. Let's eat! Ang sarap!
Daming sili ni Kuya.
Ano ba yung sili sa makay?
Simot sarap. Simot sarap. Anyway, we're gonna go back to the beach. So this is where we're staying right now. In this area. Perfect place though. Perfect spot. Ganda! Anyway, we're gonna go swimming. See you guys in a sec. Kaya nga din likod ko niyan, te.
Kasi mo pinapag-vlog pa, kala mo naman eh. Luksong baka, fantasy sila. Okay na yan, bakla. Dami-dami pa kasing ipinapantasy to sing Josh eh. Kala mo naman talaga. Tapos ano, bagal-bagal naman din mag-post. Kala mo naman din. Kayong mga buddies ha. Ano, unsubscribe, check. Bakla. Luksong bakla, check.
So right now, we're just enjoying the sunset. Gabi, ang ganda ng abang malayo yung sunset to. Parang bilog na bilog. Umalis kaya kayo dyan? Check. Pero ito ang best sunset view.
Sun and moon.
Baby, you're my sun and moon. We're now on our way back sa hotel. Kasi we need to get ready because we have dinner reservations. And all kami ng drag.
All of us need to get ready.
Yes, all of us need to get ready.
In an hour.
Correct. In an hour kasi 7 o'clock yung reservation. 6 o'clock na. We're gonna take some pre-game drinks. Tanqueray and Red Bull. Woo! Ayaw bumukas! How do you open this?
Eh, mata sa.
Bakit yung kumanta, no?
Kylie, ikaw na.
Bakit?
Siyat na! Rafi, ikaw na.
Nico!
When we pull up, you know it's a siyat na. Anton! No, it's a siyat na.
Tapang!
Miko, ikaw na. Wala tayo. Ngayon lang eh. Hindi na inom mamaya. I really can draw some. Okay, we are now walking dun sa drag bar. Ano name nun, Jeyo? Rainbow Cafe. So, puntahan nyo yun dito sa Boracay, guys, pag nag-visit kayo.
Yeah.
Support local drag queens here in Boracay. They serve dinner, meals at 7, then pagdating na... Comedy yan. Tapos pagdating ng 8 PM, magsa-start na yung drag performance. By the way, sobrang lapit lang ng drag bar dito sa amin. Like, lalakarin lang. Like, dito na siya. Ito na siya. May konting walk pa. Ano sinasabi mo sa bodies?
Ini-eme mo yung baddies.
Siyempre kasi...
Let's go baddies. Wala naman sila dito.
Siyempre pag ako...
Sabi niyo isasama ko kayo, wala naman.
Kasama kayo, buddies. Shit, may challenge. Uy, gago. Ay, may challenge. Pwede naman pala maglakad dito. Pwede naman pala dito. Ito yung Rainbow Bar. Sobrang lapit lang. Walkathon lang. Feeling ko may mga bading dito. Rainbow Bar.
Nakaka-aura pa rin ako.
Drag Rainbow Bar looks like. It looks so cool. Oh my God.
I wanna say with you in this moment.
Gusto ko yung nakakapakong malaki.
Maganda na ako.
Ala!
Oh my God! One shot, one shot. A shot, one shot. Of adrenaline. Adrenaline, give me one.
Okay guys, it's day 2 here in Boracay. Everyone's getting... Oo, day 2 no. Day 0 yung Saturday. Anyway, everyone's getting ready because we're gonna shoot some content for Scenario. It's the place we're staying at. So ayan, natin may makeup. Si Limiko, it's another room. Si there's guys dito. Ang theme namin is like earth tone vibes because we're gonna match the aesthetic.
Ang theme namin is all white. Because it's a tradition sa Boracay na pag first time mo sa Boracay, dapat all white. Puting-puti naman ako dyan.
Anyway, while I was being rudely interrupted,
and also...
So, ang theme namin is like earth tones vibe kasi yung aesthetic nung Scenario is like very earth tones, warm. So, may mga naka-white, may naka-green, may mga naka-brown. So, that's the overall vibe. So, ayan. I'm not yet done with my outfit, but Lergy's already in her outfit. Period. Period. So, nag-ayos na kami ng makeup and hair. So, mag-shoot na kami in a while. So, yeah! So, this is the first location ng shoot. Hello po. Ate ko nakaupo na siya dyan. Kakalipat lang ni Jay. But anyway, everyone's having their own solo shots muna. Ito yung holding area ng mga models.
Hi guys! How do you feel today for the shoot?
I feel so...
terrible.
Yeah. Forced. What was that?
exploited.
Oh.
Okay, it's a wrap na kami. We're done shooting. Yay! The shots came out so good. We're having a very glamorous lunch on the floor. O, diba? Kain kami. Pa na kami kakain. So we have first meal of the week. We have oysters, pancit, kinilaw, calamares, and adobong pusit. Let's eat! Okay, so mag-yacht kami ngayon. Kita mga outfits namin. Hindi kami naka-all white kasi mababash kami pag naka-all white kami. Cheka! Cheka. Mag-yacht kami ng sunset pero we're gonna have coffee first sa Blackfish. Okay, we're now on our way sa yacht. Ayan, may waiver form. Ano mangyayari?
Pag nalaglag yung wig, hindi po kukunin.
Lala!
Please be gentle.
Yes! Let's go! Karma! Karma!
Ay! Anong sorry, Lala?
Check out.
Ano to? Para naman tayo na sa ano, It Takes Two.
Yung last kong yacht was like 1969. Ay, ito na ba? Wow, yacht! Ito na yung binayaran naming pagkain. Check. Ay, hahatid pa tayo sa pinakayat. Ano yan, life vest? Meron po kayo yung may rhinestones. Check. Pwede kami mamato ng black gold. Hindi pwede. Kuya, para na po! Ay!
Pag nalaglag yung wig, hindi po kukunin.
Bakit hindi ko mata?
Thank you, Lord! Happy yacht party! Si Rafi wala pang alak, susuka na! So cool!
Ako na naman yung subject ko, pepera ka mo na naman.
I love this upbeat music.
Meron akong music sa isip ko. Iba.
What are you listening to?
Listening to Beanie Patropic.
It feels so tight. I change the phone 2 times a day.
Dito sa taas. Oh my god! This is so cool! Y'all! Oh my god! Hey kuya! Hello po! Ano po pangalan nyo? Hello Kuya Vic! Hi guys! Hi! Oh my god! No! 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 Alaga! Thank you, Miss Lala! I want this apple beer. We have merienda! Fruits! Content! 1, 2. Ang subject, ang photographer. Larot! Dalawang tripod. We're gonna go swim. We're gonna go swimming! Thank you, Miss Lala. Hindi na kami mag-swim dito daw. La 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 la. This is the life! I'm in Boracay! Andito na si Tyla! Dito na kami pwede mag-swim. Grabe din yung water! Thanks to the whole team and Miss Lala!
Miss Lala! Go! Ito naman!
Okay, nag-shoot na kami ng sunset photos. Ayan ay sunset eh. Ay, ang ganda! 5 o'clock pa naman, hindi pa siya sobrang orange. Pero like, ang ganda.
Pogi ba dyan?
May drone! Tulungan niyo kami! Tulungan niyo kami! Ano yan?
Mag-open forum na tayo.
Ito mismo. Sa gitna ng dagat.
TYL.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you for crossing out this in our bucket list. Mayroon? Dali. Dito kami magdi-dinner. Oyster! Get you a man that will do anything for you.
A man?
A man? Anong gagawin? Pwede ko nang i-slurp? Okay, game. Ang sarap! Ang sarap siya! Hindi nyo nga. Hindi, gusto ko yung sauce. Gusto ko yung... Nagre-record pa rin. Hindi, pero masarap nga yung sauce. Gusto ko yung sauce niya. Hindi, may kalasa siya. O sige, hindi na masarap. Hindi, pero masarap yung oysters, guys. Mas gusto ko lang talaga yung baked. Sorry, I'm a baked oyster girl. Hoy, oyster! Pesto ba yan? Pesto. Guys, try nyo to palagi pag pupunta kayo dito sa The Pig Ouch.
Welcome to the annual Miss Universe 2025.
This is the animal division.
Presenting Uganda.
Uganda is wearing a leopard top. She used to help the poor and now she's helping herself. Miss Uganda. Okay, so everyone's getting ready because we're gonna do a photo shoot today. Hey! Okay, meron kaming second group photo paandar today. So mag-shoot kami dun sa... Saan yan, Jayo? Ito. Saan yun? Saan yun? Sabihin mo sa akin.
Ay, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin.
Ayaw nga pala. Ginigate namin tong location na to. Vibe ng mga outfits namin. Very colorful. Very Y2K, very magigets dyan na lang pag nakita nyo yung photos. So, ready lang kami, mag-ready lang kami. So, everyone's in their colorful outfits.
And we have somebody that's not in a colorful outfit.
Clock that tea, bitch. Wow! Look at the cafe. Alam, may paikot. May challenge.
Ini-video ni Josh yung puyukot mo, Miko.
Nga ako yung nasa video.
Ay, ikaw ba yun?
Gago ka. Gago ka, Ken, ha? Comedy! Wow! Wow! Ala! Ala, ready na siya! Na yukeye, chuto deye, or the shakshuka.
And the watermelon shake.
So pupunta na kami doon sa gine-gatekeep naming area kung saan namin magpo-photoshoot. Pero papunta doon, hindi naming mag-tricycle. Wow, pretty. Nice. Bawal magigay. Ano mangyayari? Suntukin ka ng aso. We're here na sa gine-gatekeep ni Jeyo. If you know na lang. Trekking? Ano nangyayari? Guys, kung nakikita nyo lang to in person, sobrang ganda! Ang ganda! Excuse me? What'd you say?
Okay lang.
So, tapos na kami mag-shoot. Dito kami sa may magandang spot like sunset vibes. The beach here looks so amazing. Okay, so we found a spot. Medyo maaraw pa, but sunset na kasi. Pero mag-happy hour kami.
Sino kayo nakausap mo? Kala ko nagalit.
So we just finished swimming sa may beach. And we're just chilling here. Super vibes dito yun.
It's so nice here, guys. You should go here. This
Where?
is like a secret location, but
So,
I hope you guys find this because we just discovered it today.
Yes. So good luck finding this secret beach.
It's like para kang nasa Boracay ka, pero at the same time hindi ka nasa Boracay. Kasi walang tao.
Walang masyadong
hindi siya
tao.
crowded na parang maraming waiters.
Correct.
Parang siyang Bali if I ever. Kahit di pa ako nakapunta ng Bali, feeling ko ganda yung tsura. I can describe it as like Siargao.
Ah, really?
Honestly.
I've never been to Siargao. Ayun na yung drinks!
Wow.
Wow! Food! And wine! And food! Good morning! It's our last full day here sa Boracay. So right now, finally, uwi na kami. Sawan-sawa na kami sa isa't isa. Fuck them bitches. Check. Anyway, we're gonna have breakfast first. Wala naman kami sobrang masyadong detailed plan today. We're just gonna enjoy the whole day. We're gonna do some water activities. Supposedly, we're going to Puka Beach ngayon. Pero hindi na namin tinuloy kasi medyo malayo na yung biyahe nun. Mag-UFO kami later. So, dito lang pala tayo. Breakfast is here. And she's queer. And she's not going anywhere.
Hindi na lang may napupuntang damit sa akin.
Or kinukuha mo. Check.
Giant mode. Giant mode na pala to.
Wala na. Personalan na. Sinasnatch game ni Miko ngayon si Jeo. Okay, it's our last full day here in Boracay.
For real this time.
For real na this time. Ito na talaga. Last day na talaga namin. So right now, we're gonna go shopping sa may D-Mall. And then we're gonna do some water activities later. On our way to the D-Mall. Mall? Ganon. Up. Contacts ni ate. Should Mag-UUA po na kami! We're just waiting for the speedboat.
We're gonna go on the UFO, you move us about.
Nakakatakot siya minsan.
Alam mo sa lahat ng vlogs mo, dami mong ganyan. Ano? Feeling ko dapat i-cult mo yung ganyan mong ano. Dami mong ganyan, te.
Ayun sila! Wow! Yan yung mga sasaka. Kami yung mga sasaka. We're the strongest ones.
Ay, parang mali.
Parang mali.
Vlog takeover kasi di ako pwede sumakay dahil baka matanggal yung ilong ko. So, I'm gonna be here sa speedboat with Kuya and they're there. Hi! Good luck, guys! Tama na! Hindi ko alam kung bakit pinipili nila yung mga ganyan-ganyan eksena. Kung pwede naman mag-relax lang dito sa bangka, diba? Bakla.
Wait, what if the song was in Tagalog? Pwede mong titigan dahan-dahan, malapit yung katawan sa tagin nito, matangpi na parang tubig na.
Iwan na yan!
Panalano pa pang hinihintay mo, ikaw lamang ang hinihintay ko.
Saka daw! Oh my God, kakatapos lang ng UFO nila mga dear. And si Josh, tatlong beses siya nahulog. Nasa phone niya yung clips na videohan ko. Ayun sila. Sir, pinang! Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Tanggal bracket.
Green ako. Ikaw, kamusta ko?
Tigay niya na itong tama na. Ipapaban ko to. Okay na, sir!
Yung nag-suggest ng flying fish. Naman sa posisyon ko hindi.
Sino nag-suggest na?
Sino nag-suggest?
Si Josh.
Ang nalaglag? Si Josh.
Pwede naman kasi mag-swimming ng maayos na.
Ilang beses na sinadjust?
3.
Ilang beses na nahulog? 3.
Sulit. Talaga ba, kuya?
Laglag mo.
Bila po na kami sa nahawa.
Kung manang mo ng gagakit, pedasukad mo. Kaya, tapos ito.
Alam mo sa paa ni Rafi, nakagano na ako. Ate, huwag kang baby to, please lang.
First time lang para...
So the ride was...
Amazing.
Yo, you tell them, Josh.
I don't need to tell them, I'm gonna show them. Just so you know, hindi ko sinasadyang tumama sa ulo ni Lurch, ha. As in, ang hirap talaga humawak,
He
guys.
hates me, guys.
Guys, ang hirap talaga humawak. Y'all in my position, which you will never be.
Check,
Kasi ang dangerous na position ko.
Guys, pag naka-rhino kayo, huwag kayong sumakay.
Pero you can do it on the last day. We found a spot here. Anyway, we're just gonna spend the whole day here sa beach. Work sila. Ang ganda ng view. Ganda ng view. Okay, I forgot to show you guys what I got kanina. This one. Parang 2-in-1 siya. Or buy one take one. I don't know. Pero ito yung first one. Super simple lang. Super cute. So, and I got this one. It's parang red sunset one. Cute. So, yun. Parang two-tone siya.
How much was it, Josh?
I got it for only like 300. These 3.
Oh my God, so 100 each?
Yeah, I know, right?
That's so cheap.
I don't know who that guy is, but he seems very nice. Anyway, I got this green one.
Show it to us, Josh.
You're interrupting my vlog, sir. Sorry. Do you mind? Ang pangit kasi nitong blue na to, yung parang may... Sorry, kay Jeyo pala to. Check. Bye, Sinare! Oh! We're all going home.